Hi, this is Scott Alexander from Coldwell Banker Patterson Properties in San Angelo, Texas. And I'm going to talk to you today about some home maintenance ideas. You know, a house is our most valuable possession. If you're an average guy like me, it's the one thing that we own that has a chance to appreciate. You know, now maybe that stamp collection or coin collection or your baseball card collection, then maybe those get more valuable. But the house is the big thing that we have has a chance to get better. So let's talk about some things that we can do to help make sure our house retains its value or maybe even gains in value. First of all, certainly here, I would maintain my air conditioning unit. I would have it serviced annually. I would change the filters monthly. Make a little note on your calendar or on your PC that, hey, I am going to change that filter monthly. Make it more efficient. Also check your safety equipment, your smoke detector, your carbon monoxide detector, your fire extinguisher. You know, twice a year, check those things and change the batteries twice a year. Make sure they work. And then some other things that can help you with maybe your utility cost. Check your window seals. You know, especially in this heat that we're experiencing, windows that let hot air in and cold air in will cost you money. Check those things. I mean, I just recently had a sliding glass door replaced because it just let hot air pour in, and my utility bills have dropped. Secondly, save on your water bill by checking those drippy faucets. You know, maybe the exterior faucet out there on the side of the house is dripping, leaking. That's not a good thing. It's costing you money. Check under your sink and do those things. Next, check for I would check for peeling paint. Nothing worse than a house that the paint is peeling on. It'll deteriorate rapidly. So check for rotten wood, check for peeling paint, check for your fascias, your soffits, the part of your house, and really do a good job of taking care of that. And lastly, the last thing I would look at would be, I would check for termites. Annually, I always have someone inspect my home looking for termites. You know, you can do it yourself, but I trust it to a professional. It's not that expensive. So those are just some kind of common sense ideas about how to take care of your house. If you have any other real estate questions, give me a call. Thanks very much, and I look forward to hearing from you.